this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel and welcome to my yarn space. Well, today's video it's going to be some clips of things that I did. I guess most of this was last week. And so what I've got to show you is not necessarily in order. So when you see we're working out and then we're having cake, 2 different days. Okay. All right. I'd like to start off first. This is a card from Barbara. Thank you so much, Barbara. She lives on a houseboat, and right now she is recuperating in her son's apartment. And this is across the street, or across, I guess, the sea. Across the street, there's a park around the lake with walking trails, a band shell, a farmer's market on Sundays, food trucks, vendors, and lots of events. I just think that is so cool. I'm just in love with that, Barbara. I just love it. And I thank you so much for taking your time out and sending this to me and thinking about me. And I pray that your rehab is going very well. According to the scenery, I'm sure it is. So the next thing that I have is a card from Pawtucket, Rhode Island. This is from Cheryl. And I guess I could say officially this is my fiance, Hugh, and my first official mail with our name on it. And Cheryl, we are both so very excited about this card. And here's what she sent. You're engaged. I mean, we are so tickled. And she says, congratulations. I'm very happy that God put us in each other's lives. Pamela and Hugh. That is just, it's just beautiful. I just love it. Oh, and then the card itself, this is pretty. It says, if it's possible, I think your smile outshines the rain. Congratulations. Love, Cheryl. Cheryl, thank you so much. We are both so excited over this card. And to think that our first card came from Pawtucket, Rhode Island. How cool is that? So I just like to say thank you so much for that. As far as crochet, I am working on some patterns for a couple of magazines, and I've submitted one, and then I'm working on getting the other submitted. Whether they get accepted or not, I don't know. But that's what I've been working on, and I've been working on my squares. I did put out a tutorial today, the Royal Ridge Stitch, and I'm actually sitting here crocheting a little bit of it now. Let's see what else. Well, I guess I can go straight into the video. The first set, now this is set to music, so the first set that you see are some photos of my beautiful grandbabies, Knox and Charlie May. Charlie May is 6 months old. Knox is 2. Knox is the one that was born on my birthday, my first grandchild. This is pictures that my daughter sent me of them over the weekend at the lake. So I'd like to show those photos. And then right after that is a dinner that my fiance cooked for me one day. It's spaghetti, salad, there's some bread, and there's some cake. And then after we got through eating, we would sit down with our cake and watch a Western movie. We both love the channel Grit, and it's got a lot of Western shows. It was one of my dad's favorite. I would go to my dad's house, and his TV was always on Grit. And so I learned to appreciate a lot of the Western movies, and luckily my fiance likes them as well. So we watch a lot of those when I go to his house. So we'll watch that. And one of the other days during the week, we did a workout. I do work out 3 days a week at my local, I guess you could say, recreation center. I have a group of ladies that I go in, and we do like boot camp, like core and stuff like that, type work, core and glutes and stuff like that. Well, we do that 3 days a week for an hour. I really like that. In addition to those 3 days a week, maybe 1 day a week, or sometimes once every 2 weeks sometimes, my fiance and I will go and we'll do a little workout together. And so I'll show some video clips of that. And yeah. And then I'll get right back to you. hope you enjoyed that. That's just a little bit of what I do during the week. And yeah, tonight I will be going out with, I guess maybe 4, let's see. There's Janet, Jeannie, Nana, me, and Betty, and Dana. So there will be 6 of us ladies. We're going out to eat at a place called U.S. Pizza, and we're going to discuss this Hawaiian bash. In fact, if I can include that video clip, I'll include that here.
Hey CA family, got the back to school blues?
Wishing you were sipping a slushie at a Hawaiian luau?
Well, so do we, so we're having a Hawaiian bash. At 6:30 p.m. on August 4th, we're going to have a great time with our Christian Assembly Ohana.
That means family. We're going to have so much fun for the whole family to enjoy. Like
A lip-sync contest?
a homemade ice cream contest,
A cheese dip contest.
and best Hawaiian shirt and sunglass contest.
We're also going to have fun crafting stations where you can build a lei, design your own foam sunglasses, or try your hand at hula hooping.
We're grilling hamburgers and hot dogs, and we will have chips and drink just for you.
So bring your family and friends at 6:30 p.m. on August 4th, and we're going to have a real good time.
That is a video clip of a commercial that we put on advertising the Hawaiian bash that we have going on at our church August the 4th. And so we're getting together tonight to do the last minute preparations for that upcoming event. Well, guys, that's really all that I have. Let's do our Be Still and Know devotion. Joyfully I wait. I wait for the Lord, my whole being waits, and in his word I put my hope. That's Psalms 130, verse 5. We so often think of waiting as hard, even unpleasant, but sometimes waiting is wonderful. Waiting to deliver great news, waiting for the birth of a child, the anticipation of giving a special gift. When the thing we wait for is a good thing, waiting itself is a gift. This is how it is to wait for the Lord. With all our hope in him, the outcome is certain. The outcome is eternity. Let every part of us wait on him in joyful anticipation. Lord, I love waiting for you because I know you bring only goodness. I can wait for you forever. Your word is my hope, and it promises light and life forever with you. Gratefully, joyfully, I wait and I hope. Okay, guys, I'm so glad you enjoy that. I love doing that daily Bible devotional with you at the end of my videos. Let's see, just remember that since we crochet a lot, to be sure, get up, exercise, walk around the room if you have to, go get a drink of water, just kind of, keep your blood pumping. You don't have to do no full workout like what I'm doing in these videos. Just get up, in your home and just kind of walk to the, kitchen, get you a drink of water or something, do something like that. Just that way, at least you're getting up and you're keeping your blood going, pumping and stuff. And so that's what I try working on, because when I'm working really heavy with my crochet, I can find myself sitting for 3 or 4 hours straight without getting up. I mean, it's that easy. And so I have to, remind myself, I need to get up. I need to walk around the room for a minute, go, put laundry up, go get a drink of water, go, do something to make myself. And so, it's easy to just sit all day crocheting because you get so caught up in it. Anyway, so guys, that's really all that I have for this video. Just remember, live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.